Yo, what is up guys, AK here and welcome back to yet another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own custom Instagram filters. Let's get started. So first thing is you will be needing few applications, which are first application which you'll be needing is Spark AR Studio. That is basically an app by Facebook itself. So you will need the Spark AR Studio application on your laptop. That is your requirement number one. Requirement number two is you'll have to have a fast laptop as well, because this is kind of dealing with graphics as well at the same time. Second thing which you'll need is a phone, which most of us already have. And the third thing which we need is the Spark AR Player application in the phone itself. So the phone application looks something like this, and if you can connect, you can check all your filters which you have created from the Spark AR Studio application in your phone and test it out. Third thing which you'll be needing is Adobe Photoshop. So you'll be needing it to do some changes for your custom filters, for changing the colors, etc. So let's get started. So you'll be needing two files to be exact. First is you'll be needing a neutral LUT, something which looks like this. I'll give both the links in the description box below so that you can go and download it. Second thing which you'll need is a Color Lut Patch master. I'll be explaining what you'll be needing that for, but mainly it will look something like this. So these are the only two files which you need to create in both the LUTs. So that's a Fujifilm LUT and that is a neutral LUT. There's definitely a difference between both. This has more contrast and more punchiness in all the colors. So once I'm done with that, now it's all over to Spark AR Studio. So I'm going to open a blank project first. That's what you'll be needing, and this is what you'll generally see. So you can see different iOS devices. So I'm going to choose iPhone X, and you're going to go click an object over here. From object, you're going to go to canvas, insert the canvas. You're going to add also after that a rectangle. Now rectangle, I'm going to size it out to fill width and fill height, because you want the entire whatever is there in the camera, you want the entire camera to capture the filter. So that is your main thing in canvas and rectangle. Next thing which you have to do is under canvas is so just make sure it's visible, because you need the filter to be visible. Go to rectangles, click materials, go under materials, and next to texture you will find this right arrow. Just click that. So you have your patch bay here basically. Next you're going to drag and drop your Fujifilm LUT into your materials. So it will come over here. You're going to go into your Spark LUT Patch Master, go under patches, and you can find this fast LUT ARP. You're gonna go into that and just drag and drop it. So basically I've got everything over here now, whatever you need. You're gonna go to Fujifilm LUT and go down and make sure you have no compression. Drag and drop the Fujifilm LUT here, as well as the fast color LUT here. So basically you've got both of that now here. Go LUT and drag and drop it to the LUT. You're going to go to the materials now. The texture is already created, so texture you're going to go to connect over here. So now you're going to go to camera after you have done all that and click texture extraction. So you get another camera texture right over here. Going to drag and drop that camera texture. Make sure RGBA selected and drag it and drop it to the texture, and boom, there you go. You've already created your special custom Instagram filter. So how do you test this now? You need a cable. So I'm using the 16-inch MacBook Pro, so USB Type-C to Lightning cable. I am just going to connect the Lightning cable to my computer, and I am then going to connect the other end into my iPhone. So once I am done with that, it will automatically recognize. I'm going to go to Spark Player, and then I'm also going to click test on device AKIXR send, and now I have the filter with me. So I'm just going to do a test. Hey guys, so this is a test with the brand new filter which I'm currently working with. This is the Fujifilm filter, which I really like. I like all the colors with this. It is really beautiful, and also it is amazing with the sunset which is happening right outside. So that is my filter. Hope you enjoy it and hope you like it. Thank you. So once I'm done with that, next you want to export your filter. So I'm going to go export. File size meets all requirements. Click upload. I'm going to go upload, and on your default browser it is going to go directly take you to Facebook. So you need a Facebook or Instagram account. So I'm going to go to Instagram, click on Instagram. So it already links my account, aka Shoots. I'm going to name this as Fujifilm Cinema Lut. Select a category. I'm going to go with color and light. So publication as soon as possible. You're going to upload a video. You're going to upload an image as well of the LUT. So image, I'm going to just go. I've already got my image loaded. Now I'm just going to upload, capture a video through this. So once I unplug, the filter still remains. That is the best part. And there you go. The demo video is also uploading. So what is going to be the description on how the effect works. So that's pretty much it. And once I did that, I'm just going to go submit. So it'll look something like this: Fujifilm Cinema LUT uploading file. It'll take about 30 seconds, 40 seconds maximum. And once you're already done uploading the file, it'll take about 10 days. So max date is 23rd May. So today is 13 May. It'll take maximum of 10 days. Generally my filters take about 4 to 5 hours maximum a day to get reviewed, and that is pretty much it. So I can, once I click on home, I can see all my filters over here. So these are my previous filters which are already there on Instagram, how many people liked the filter, how many have captured photographs with it, and my effect is still in review. So that is pretty much done for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from this. You can keep on experimenting. You can download free Lightroom presets as well online and just keep on experimenting. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do like this video. Please do help me reach 100 subscribers on YouTube very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned, stay safe, and stay at home.